When comparing Sage 50 Cloud versus MYOB, you're likely wondering which software is truly the best for Australian businesses. Both options claim to offer comprehensive accounting solutions, but which one really stacks up when you dig deeper? Well, we're going to break it down for you, highlighting both the strengths and weaknesses of each, and by the end, I'll share with you a hidden gem that could be a better option overall. First, let's dive into Sage 50 Cloud. Sage offers a solid reputation, known for its user-friendly interface and integration capabilities. It's great for businesses looking for cloud access with the added security of desktop-based solutions. The cloud-based part allows for remote access, which is a bonus if you're on the go. But here's the kicker. While it's user-friendly, it's not as intuitive for beginners as you might expect. There's a bit of a learning curve, and customer support can be hit or miss at times. Next thing to consider is MYOB. It's one of the most widely used accounting software options in Australia, and for a good reason. MYOB offers an excellent set of features, particularly for small to medium businesses. It's packed with tools for invoicing, payroll, and reporting, plus it's tailored to Australian tax regulations. However, one downside to MYOB is its user interface. It's not as sleek or modern as some other tools out there. You'll also find that certain features are locked behind higher pricing tiers, which might not be ideal if you're on a budget. The third thing we should mention is pricing. Both Sage 50 Cloud and MYOB are priced similarly for their entry-level packages. Sage has a slightly higher initial cost, but compensates with its cloud-based options. MYOB, on the other hand, tends to have more affordable tiers, but as mentioned before, you'll likely hit a ceiling if you want to scale your business without jumping into a pricier plan. The fourth thing to consider is scalability. As your business grows, so do your accounting needs. Sage 50 Cloud shines here due to its advanced features for growing companies. It offers more flexibility, especially for larger teams with complex financial processes. However, MYOB isn't too far behind. It does offer some scalability, but it's more suited for smaller to mid-sized businesses. Once you start expanding, you may run into limitations. And now, here's something you'll want to know. Both platforms have their share of issues when it comes to customer service. Many users have reported slow response times from both Sage and MYOB, and if you're relying on support to fix issues quickly, this could be a frustration. The final point to cover is integrations. Both Sage 50 Cloud and MYOB provide integration with various third-party apps, but Sage has the edge here. It integrates with a wide array of apps and services, which could be a game changer if your business needs a custom setup. MYOB also offers integrations, but not to the same extent as Sage. Now, both Sage 50 Cloud and MYOB are solid choices for Australian businesses, but after testing them both extensively, I've found that if you're looking for something that's easy to use, affordable, and scalable as your business grows, there's actually a better alternative. If you want a more powerful solution that outshines both Sage 50 Cloud and MYOB in terms of simplicity and features, then I recommend checking out the software in the first link in the description. It's a better fit for businesses looking for long-term growth, and the best part? You'll get exclusive benefits through our link, including a free trial, so you can try it out for yourself with no commitments. Both Sage 50 Cloud and MYOB are good options, but for a more efficient and hassle-free experience, go ahead and take advantage of the free trial now. You won't regret it.